So guys, we are back. In here, I want to quickly add some tree. Okay, so I just holding shift and right click to move my 3D cursor right here, or whatever you think that you're gonna be a tree. Okay, maybe here we can start first. So shift A, we in this case go with the curves. Okay, I scroll up, maybe you don't see those, so that's fine because I just enabled some add-on. So I just use these Bezier curves. Okay, as you can see, it will come exactly at that place, which is right here. So I just rotate that by R, Y 90 degrees. Okay, and now if I just click here on this icon, object property data, and give this some depth. Okay, GZ, move that upward just a bit. So from here, I just select that vertex. Okay, actually this made of two vertices. So as I want to scale down a bit here. Okay, so in order to do that is Alt S, make that just a bit smaller. Okay, that's fine. And even here we can, if I hold on a second here and select the tweak, we can tweak that as well. Okay, so that's it. And we maybe move that, push it here, scale. So in order that I want to push the origin at here, so Shift S, cursor to select, and right click again, origin to 3D cursor. So now if I just scale that, it will scale according to that. So what I'm gonna do is select both of these and Shift D to make a duplication, and R, rotate that, adjust that. Okay, and Alt S, it will scale both of these guys, and press numpad period to zoom on that specific place that you want. So that's fine, I think. And yeah, we maybe need to scale down just a bit here as well. Scale up here. So that's it. And now I select this guy, one of these vertex, and shift this cursor to select it. So now I want to add a sphere right here. Okay, sphere like so. I want to move that here, and the other I shift D, take a duplication, and I place it right there. So maybe this is too much big. Maybe we can make that like so. Okay, so now we have a small tree right here. Okay, and even we can select this guy from here, Shift D, make that, rotate that 180, and press numpad to zoom on that specific area. And now select this guy. Okay, R 180. Okay. So that's it about here. Maybe we need to push that a little bit inside. So that's it, guys. And we'll look at from here. And I just want to copy this guy from here and push it and rotate that. Maybe we can do something like that as well. Okay, I think that's not too interesting. So anyway, and maybe these two guys, maybe this one should be in front just a bit, like so. Yeah, so that's it, and that's about the trees. And the next thing, actually, yeah, so here everything is fine, so we're gonna keep those in this order. Maybe so Let me extrude that. Let me first apply, because its scale has changed, so apply the scale. Extrude inside just a bit. Okay, and scale this plane like so. And from here, we maybe need to add one here. This is the roads that people walking through. Maybe we need to move this guy from here to there. Okay, to just here. Like so. And even we can select that and push it one here. Okay, something like so. We maybe need to play around with this till we give a bit different yeah, look. Yes, maybe scale that just a bit. And one here. Okay, and maybe one right here. Okay, we push that here as well, so that's fine. So that's it, and now we are done with that. So we first save that. I call that small houses. Okay, so that's really important to save your project, otherwise you maybe lose that when your computer maybe sometimes crash, or there is too many regions with that. See you in the next video.